Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 2. I think just yesterday I made this video. I am going to, and if you don't understand what we're doing, and when we contoured it, it's got a long angle, shorter angle, basically a square. We're going to fix that. I'm going to nudge that out of the way. I am basically I'm not going to delete this, I'm going to move it over. I'm going to take this and Control D and make a duplicate while holding down the Control button. I'm going to go to about there. I'm going to grab these two. I'm going to blend them 3 times. See, and now I've got the shape. I'm going to nudge it back. I don't have to break it apart, but I am. I'm going to go to Object, break the blend apart. Control G to group it. Double click on the rotation and put it there. Doesn't look like it there, but it is. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. I did not make a duplicate, so I'm going to Control D and then put to 0. Then Control D, Control D. That's what the person wanted. We got rid of these where it doesn't look the same. You could do this 2 different ways, but since this is all solid, we could try to delete that line. It's going to work. I'm going to use Smart Fill Tool, set on blue again, and do every other line. I'm pretty sure that's what they're wanting. That right there. Pretty cool design. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.